Are you a beginner wondering how to earn money online? This video is your go-to guide. We'll cover the fundamental concepts of making an income through online channels. From freelancing to creating digital products, we ensure that you'll gain valuable insights into the diverse opportunities available. Understanding these basics is crucial for beginners venturing into the online income space. Explore the diverse online income streams available to you. From freelancing to affiliate marketing, and even online surveys, we will delve into the details of each option. This discussion aims to help you identify the most suitable income stream based on your skills and interests. By understanding the various online income streams, you can make an informed decision about which avenue aligns best with your capabilities and goals. Setting up your online presence is crucial for success. This involves creating a professional profile that reflects your expertise and credibility. Additionally, we'll cover the process of setting up a website, a key platform for showcasing your work and attracting potential clients. Leveraging social media platforms is also essential, allowing you to reach a wider audience and engage with potential customers. By understanding the significance of these steps, you can establish a strong and impactful online presence. Passive income is an attractive prospect, and we'll explore practical tips and strategies to help you generate it online. From creating and selling digital products to investing in stocks or real estate online, these methods can provide a steady stream of income with minimal active involvement. Additionally, we'll discuss the use of automation tools to maximize your earnings, allowing you to efficiently manage your passive income streams and increase your overall revenue. When delving into online income opportunities, it's essential to be aware of common pitfalls and scams. We'll shed light on these potential risks, equipping you with the knowledge to identify and avoid them. Understanding how to recognize legitimate and trustworthy online earning avenues is pivotal in safeguarding your time, effort, and resources. By being informed about the red flags and warning signs, you can navigate the online income landscape with confidence and make informed decisions. Taking your online income to the next level involves strategic scaling. This includes expanding your client base through effective marketing and providing exceptional service to retain existing clients. Additionally, enhancing your skill set to offer a broader range of services can attract more opportunities and higher-paying assignments. Leveraging networking opportunities is also crucial in establishing valuable connections that can lead to new ventures and collaborations, ultimately propelling your online income endeavors to greater heights.